Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes in Toca Boca, easy method. Begin by opening the kitchen and selecting batter from the counter, then pour a small circle onto the heated pan. Watch the edges for bubbles and lift gently with the spatula when golden brown. Flip carefully and cook until both sides match in color. Plate your pancakes and add syrup or fruit to finish with a playful touch. Gather your virtual ingredients and tools in the Toca Boca kitchen before you start cooking. Choose the batter container, pick a spatula, and set a pan on the stove. Keep heat moderate by tapping the burner gently so pancakes cook evenly without burning. Pour small rounds for consistent thickness, which makes flipping easier and more fun. Finish by adding syrup or fruit to create a colorful plate that looks great and plays well. Timing is everything when flipping in Toca Boca, so be patient and wait for bubbles to form and edges to firm up. Tilt the pan slightly and slide the spatula fully underneath the pancake to get good support before flipping. Start with small pancakes to practice control. They are forgiving and cook faster. With a little practice, you'll flip smoothly and create stacks that look delightful and are ready for syrup and toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.